y'all, so I am about to do my hair. I just got done adding highlights. I also did my nails yesterday and I did my feet. So I'm about to do my hair. Hey y'all, so I just wrapped my hair because I got done putting curls in it. Now I'm about to do my eyebrows and my lashes so I can look human. Alright, so I have my eyebrows and lashes on and lipstick. I do not have no foundation, so because my face broke out from this face mask, I forgot to wash mine. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, this is my hair that I did. I did add highlights last night, and check out my nails that I did last night. And I did my feet. So I'm about to go ahead and get dressed because I plan on going to the gym. I was debating if I'm going to the south side because I wanted some nail monomer, but I might can hold off because I did order some from Amazon for $4 with $6, but I'm trying to think. I don't know. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car. I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. Can y'all see my face? I was wearing those masks. Yeah, so I'm not wearing no makeup until my face clear up. It's not the makeup I was wearing, it's the mask plus the makeup. Bad combo. So I'm not wearing any makeup, just eyebrows and lashes. So I'm about to go to the gym. Y'all, so while I'm driving and all of a sudden my slip light comes on and my brakes act like it's not trying to stop this fucking car. It's driving fine now, but hey y'all, so I am back from the gym. I'm about to go get me something to eat, and I have a taste for some Rocky Rococo pizza. I think that's what it is. Rockies. I used to call it Rockies. I don't even know the name of them, but I call it Rockies. So I'm about to get some pizza. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm on my way to the salon. But anyway, I'm on my way to the salon. I'm getting my first wax today. So hopefully it's not gonna be that painful, but yeah, I am getting my first wax today. I'm running a little behind, but I just texted her and told her I'm running about 10 minutes behind. So I hate when I'm late. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you guys. So when I was complaining yesterday about my car driving weird, came to find out, I came home, I looked on the side of my car, and I believe somebody glazed it because part of my car has like paint and the piece of the frame is kind of like separated, and then my tire looks like it's like sticking out or inward. It's just hard to describe. Okay, y'all, so I am back. That was where I work at. I work downstairs. I'm the nail tech there, as you can see. But yeah, it wasn't bad at all. I'm used to pain after having 2 children. What pain, okay? For real. Hey y'all, so I am back. I just came back from this brand new nail supply store. I did give y'all a glimpse because I don't want to be, I don't know, I hate recording in, you know, small little stores because I don't want people think I'm on some bull crap. So I did buy some stuff, $70, but yeah. Which way should I turn? I should give me some Krispy Kreme donuts, but that's totally going to defeat my diet. Let me get some for the kids. Oh my goodness, I stay spoiling my kids. All right, so I'm back from Krispy Kreme. That did not take long at all. So now I'm about to drive to Whole Foods. Hey y'all, so I am back from Whole Foods. I didn't really record a lot in there. It was pretty crowded today. I don't want nobody thinking I'm trying to record they goofy looking butt. So, and then I like to respect people's privacy. So if it's like crowded in there, I won't record because like I don't want nobody to think I'm trying to record them. People too crazy for me. Hey y'all, so I'm back from the beauty supply store. I have picked up some lashes. They was only $2. These right here. They look cheap on camera, but they're not. And then I bought some toe rings, but I'm about to be on my way home. I want some news and company. So, hey y'all, so today is Thursday. I'm on my way to the gym. This is gonna be like a redundant vlog, but this is what I do during the week. So hopefully I get to film if I don't forget. So I'll see y'all in the gym. Hey y'all, so I am back from the gym. I just went to Culver's. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. I'm on my way to work. I am so tired. I stood up late and knowing that my body was sore from working out. Everything is sore. So yeah, I'm about to be on my way to work. Hopefully it goes by fast.